Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Here's some more on actions on Google. This is the very basic chatbot that I built using the Google tutorial for a personal chef. And you can see that some of the things are picked up automatically and some things are not. So for example, I didn't have pork in my list of proteins, so it asked me again, what is my protein? Then I gave it one that I know is in my database or in my intents. Let me show you that. Actually, I have to show you here. And how does that look? What does that look like? So I want a snack. This is recipe recommendation. It picked up on my beans. That's fine. Recipe recommendation. And then because it didn't recognize pork, I need to assign it. So if I click on that and then go to protein right there, click on protein. And now anytime I say pork in the future, it should pick up on it. And I need to assign the intent. That's a recipe recommendation. And I keep going. Now this is a meal type. So the intent is recipe recommendation, but this is definitely a meal type. Oh, it looks like it already did. Now meal types. Snack. And since the question was, what kind of dish do you prefer? I want a light dish. So this is going to be another recipe recommendation. And this will be a meal type. Not sure why I get two of these. Moving on. This is a misspelling, so I'm going to assign this to meal type. Click to assign, recipe recommendation, etc., etc. So it all looks good. And now I'm going to approve this. And the little gear starts spinning. This should be bigger to make it more obvious. Because basically I can't really do much until it's done. Training agent or agent training is completed. Click OK. Now, I'm not quite sure what this does here. It shows the last training or updates the training. We'll see. It looks like it didn't like that. Okay, it's done. And I don't remember what the unmatched was before, so let's hope that the work I just did was not lost again. Yeah, see that? It wasn't, that's definitely, my saves were not saved. So that is a recurring theme with api.ai. I do the training, but it doesn't stick. So I'm going to have to redo this again. Meat, or rather protein. Click to assign recipe. And add to intent recipe recommendation. Okay, and that's all good. Again, I just did this. You saw me do it, so there's definitely a problem. Meal types. Interesting. Now it's click to assign recipe recommendation. I want to say meal type. Recipe recommendation. Close that, close that. I don't know if I'm supposed to be clicking these or not. I guess I have to confirm the saves. That's a bit of a bummer. Why would I? I guess I have to confirm my saves using this green thing over here. Okay, if that is in fact the case, that isn't very well documented. Or there should be a save that says, hey, you did not finish clicking the green arrows. Let's approve that and let the training commence. Agent training completed, click OK. Now let's go to api.ai one more time. And let's go back to my personal chef and my training. Right there. I still have 5 unmatched. Okay, definitely a bug. Thanks for watching and happy computing.